So when they came out with these bad boys, I jumped at the chance. I love them, and if I can do them and I have very poor eyesight, I truly believe anybody can do them. This is a new brand to me. We're going to be testing together, so I'm a little nervous, y'all. These are the Salon Perfect pinched press-ons, and then it has the little applicator, and then of course the different lengths. I actually think I might like these better if they're as easy to apply, just because I like the variation, and I like that they're like a crisscross beautiful little cluster. And I don't do anything to my natural lashes whatsoever except for give them a little bit of a curl. And all it does for me as far as like the curl is kind of make them, you know, like shaped, I guess you could say. And then also kind of opens up that little space here because we're putting them underneath the lash. Oh, these feel nice. Okay. I think I'm just gonna do, since there's more 12s, I'll probably do 2 12s like on the outer corners and then probably a 10 on the inside. We grab them from the little container. I'm lifting them off with the tweezer. It does also say that you can reuse these, and then as the glue kind of dissipates on them or is not as strong or as tacky anymore, you can just go in with a regular lash glue so you can extend like the usage of these. I'll do this eye, but maybe my hand will be in the way. We'll see what happens. So I literally will lift my lid up some. I take the lash and you will feel it tug. I did, and I'm pulling and tugging. You can see it's not going anywhere. Lift this up and then take this and very carefully, don't pinch yourself or your bride, very carefully pinch them together. I love these. I like these. I'm going to tell you right now, they feel a little bit more sticky, and I can really feel that grab upon first application. Picking up another 12, doing the exact same thing. And then I'm going to meet where I got the other one at. Again, you can see me tugging. You can see that they're actually there and, you know, kind of attached to my lid. What the heck is this called, y'all? Upper waterline? And then I'm gonna pinch them gently. Oh, okay. And that is quite literally it. I mean, y'all, even the first time I did this, let me kind of straighten these lashes up. Even the first time I did this, it did not take long at all. It maybe took me like 8 to 10 minutes versus right now it takes me like 2. I'm gonna grab the 10mm one now. And then again, grabbing, and I'm not, you know, being rough or anything like that. Nothing's pulling and tugging. I'm gonna put it in place. You can see again, it's, you know, kind of going with me. I can feel the tug. And then go in immediately with the little clipper, the tweezer. Again, very, 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 very softly. We're done. That easy. And you can see, like, even with no mascara or anything else like that, it gives enough that you're like, damn, that looks pretty damn good. That it just gives a little something, like enough of something that I feel still put together and stuff like that. So yeah, that is my first step. Let me do the other eye off of camera. I did that actually in real time with you guys. All right, and now both eyes are done. I like these. I like these a lot. I'll definitely report back